Hey there, turkey lovers. Welcome to Risey Kids Play. It's time to spice up your Thanksgiving table. First up, we've got a classic. Roasted turkey with a twist of citrus zest. It's juicy, flavorful, and way easier than it looks. Next, say goodbye to boring sides with our maple glazed carrots. Sweet, savory, and totally irresistible. And don't forget the stuffing. Our secret ingredient, apples. They add a perfect crunch and a hint of sweetness. Now for dessert, pumpkin pie with a ginger snap crust. Trust us, your guests will be begging for seconds. Ready to impress? Follow these simple recipes and watch your family's eyes light up. Remember, the best part of Thanksgiving is sharing good food and great memories. Happy cooking, and even happier feasting. Like, subscribe, and share for more scrumptious ideas.